Hello students, I welcome you all to my history class. In today's lesson, we will learn about the class 6 of history, that is chapter 3 from the milestone book, First Farmers and Herders. This is Priyanka Sanyal from TIGPS Siliguri. So children, let us start with the video. So in this lesson, we will learn about the introduction. We will also learn about the Neolithic or New Stone Age, and we will learn about the first settlements of Neolithic man. The first farmers and herders in the Middle East. By 10,000 BP, that is before present, domesticated plants and animals were part of a broad spectrum of resources used by Middle Easterners. By 7,500 BP, Middle Easterners moved toward more specialized economies based on fewer species, which were domesticates. They were now committed herders and farmers. The growing of plants and domestication of animals was probably started by the Mesolithic Natufian people. Now let us talk about the ancient Mesopotamia civilization. In the Tigris and Euphrates river valleys of Mesopotamia, today's Iraq, the Neolithic culture of the Middle East developed into urban civilizations of the Bronze Age by 3500 BCE. Neolithic or New Stone Age. So children, let us learn what is Neolithic or New Stone Age. As we already know that the periods in Stone Age is divided into 3 stages. The Stone Age is the longest period of human history. First is the Paleolithic period, which is 200 million years ago, where first stone tools was invented. Second is the Mesolithic period, that is 10,000 BC, where tools, bows and arrows to hunt deer was developed. And the last stage, that is the Neolithic period, which is 8,000 BC, the start of farming happened. Neolithic period. The Neolithic period was the latest part of the Stone Age, beginning about 10,700 years ago and ending with the beginning of the Bronze Age in about 3,500 BCE. During the Neolithic period, settled agriculture began in the Middle East as people started to plant grain, breed and herd animals and use agricultural tools. During Neolithic period, man started cultivating plants, using polished stone tools, domesticate animals, and settling in villages. Did you know, children? The Neolithic period is also known as the Agricultural Revolution, or you can say Neolithic Revolution. Neolithic Revolution. Why it is known as Neolithic Revolution? A shift in human history at the end of the last ice age, that is 8000 BC, from a nomadic lifestyle to an agriculture lifestyle. Now let us talk about the first settlements of the Neolithic man. The Neolithic man built mud houses with thatched roofs. Children, you can see in the picture that these are the mud houses, kind of mud houses the Neolithic man used to live in, with thatched roofs. The inhabitants might use upper floor to store crops such as wheat and apples. Many houses included a shrine. It was decorated with bulls, horns, and sometimes wall paintings. A burial often lay sheltered beneath the shrine floor. Food was prepared in a small clay oven or over a hearth. So basically here is the inside structure of the Neolithic house, that how the people, the Neolithic man, used to cook food and where they used to store their grains and where they used to decorate their walls. Now we will look upon, in order to cultivate land and grow crops, man needed water. So they settled near banks of rivers and lakes. Gradually, a cluster of these houses developed into a village, and man started living in a community. So now children, we will learn about a fun fact. So let us look at the fun fact here. So this is the fertile crescent. Now, fertile means the very fertile soil or the very healthy soil we known as fertile. And why crescent? Crescent means the shape of the half moon. We also known as crescent, like we know about the crescent moon. Now we will talk about here about the fertile crescent. So let us learn about what is the fertile crescent. Historians have found evidence of the world's first farming community in the region between the Nile Valley, Egypt, in the west, and the Tigris and the Euphrates River, that is Iraq, present day, in the east. This area is known as the Fertile Crescent. They grew wheat and barley. So this is known as the Fertile Crescent. The area is known as the Fertile Crescent. So children, I hope you have liked the video. Thank you children. Stay safe and stay well. We'll meet you in the next video.